Turn your ebooks into a lead magnet that attracts buyers and drives sales on autopilot. Knorish AI and WhatsApp-powered ebook funnel builder is purposefully designed to guide you easily from start to launch. So let me just quickly show you how to use the ebook funnel builder available inside Knorish. After you log into your account, click on Funnel Builder and then click on Create Funnel. Here you have multiple funnel options. Select Ebook Funnel here. And this is the entire flow of how an ebook funnel looks like. The system is telling you step by step what to do next to launch your funnel directly. The first step in this process is to give your funnel a name. After that is done, click on Plus Course. Now you can either create a new course or choose an existing course already available. So I'll select Plus Course, then click Create a Course, and then click on New Course and add the course's name. Once that is done, I can click on Plus Add Section here and then Add Chapter. Give the section a name and the chapter as well. Here, in order to enable an ebook funnel download, I need to select on Add Downloadable File and select a downloadable PDF that can be added here. Once that is done, I can select Next. Update the pricing as required, update the settings as needed, and then finally click on Publish Course. Once that is done, the blue banner here is reminding you that you are setting up an ebook funnel. So simply click on this banner, and it'll take you back to the funnel builder. Here again, click on Course. Confirm the new course that you have just created. Then the system is telling you to choose the chapter where the ebook now exists. The chapter where the ebook was uploaded as a downloadable file is already listed here, so I can select that. And now the system is telling you that this is the time to create a landing page and enable the ebook download. So you can click on Plus Page here, choose from an existing page already available, or click on Create a New Page. Here again, select New Page, and there are tons of different templates already available that you can choose from. Similarly, under ebook pages as well, we have multiple types of pages available. So I can click on Preview, review the design, and if I like it, I can simply click on Use to enable this template design. Once that is done, I can update the settings as required. Click on Publish this page and click on Save. Now again, click on the ebook funnel. It will bring you back to the segment where you are on the ebook funnel builder. Simply click on Plus Page. Select the page that you have just chosen. And now, if you need help in terms of writing the content for this page, you can simply click on Ask Knorish AI. And here, Funnels GPT powered by Knorish AI already has multiple different types of template prompts available, which can help you write the content much faster. For example, on the landing page, you can choose any of the prompts available and get the AI to write the content for you. So simply choose the prompt you like. Update your personal information in the prompt and click Enter. Within seconds, the AI is now going to write the entire response for you, which you can copy and paste. Once you have all of the content ready, simply click on Go to Page and start editing the page. Everything about this page can be changed, including the content. You can connect the buttons for sign up, change the logos, testimonials, add your own personal information, and customize the colors and look and feel of the entire page. Once the changes are done, click on Save. And then, the system is reminding you with this blue banner that you are building the ebook funnel. So simply click on the ebook funnel banner and it will bring you back to the landing page segment of the funnel builder. Click on I have edited the page once you're ready. And then, if you want, you can also optimize the page for SEO as well. So here, simply click on Edit SEO, update the page name. Slug title for SEO description keywords, update the page settings as needed and click on Save. Again, to go back to the funnel builder, click on this blue banner here, and it will take you back to the last segment where you were. Click on I have optimized the page for SEO. Now that your ebook download is available, the landing page has been designed. You are ready to promote the page. So again, you can use Knorish AI to write the social media posts for you by simply selecting any of the prompts and optimizing the information. Once you're ready, hit Enter. And in just a few seconds, the AI will write an entire social media post for you. That too, complete with emojis, hashtags, and the option to add your website URL. Simply copy this link and you can immediately start sharing the post on your social media accounts. For now, I will select I will do it later. And at this point, you are now ready to run ads and get maximum people to register on the landing page. In order to run ads on Facebook or YouTube or any other platform, you will need to integrate these tools like Facebook Pixel. And as you can see, we've already done that here. So I'll select I have done this, and here is where the platform is now telling you are now ready to run ads. And again, you can use Knorish AI to write the content for your ads as well. I'll select I'll do it later. And this is where the power of AI, WhatsApp and email automation comes in to help you grow your business. So simply click on Add Email Action, and here you have two options available, trigger and timing. Now for an ebook funnel, there is only one trigger possible, which is when somebody downloads the ebook. The moment that happens, you have an option of sending an email or a WhatsApp message to your audience immediately or at a custom time of your choice. So let's say we select immediately after trigger, and then here I can click on Edit Template to get the AI to write an email for me for my use case, update it here, and then click on Save. Once that is done, I can also add WhatsApp action wherein I can choose at the moment somebody downloads the ebook immediately or at a specific time. Let's say 1 hour later, I send them a WhatsApp message which is pre-approved in my system by Meta earlier. And I can select any of these messages, and that could be a message to sign up on your coaching program, book a meeting with you, or fill out a form, or whatever the use case be. Similarly, I can add multiple email and WhatsApp actions as well. Once done, select Setup Completed, and then now the system is telling you that everybody who shows up on your landing page is interested in this topic. So retarget them to generate even more sales for your business. I'll select I'll do this later, and then I can simply select Publish Funnel as well. And automatically, every time somebody goes ahead and downloads my ebook from this landing page, automatically, all of these emails and WhatsApp messages will keep triggering and keep going out. So this could be truly an evergreen funnel where every time somebody downloads an ebook, these promotional WhatsApp and email messages are going out, bringing in more sales, leads, and customers for your business on automation 24/7.